So for kids in South Australia that want to get into space, I say first of all, dream big and absolutely go for it. Working in space is a wonderful adventure and you get to be at the centre of discovery and solving grand challenges around the world every day. Number 2, back yourself in doing that. Know that effort is more important than talent alone, even on astronaut training. And number 3, work hard at school. Doing well gives you more opportunities, more doors open for you, but also work equally hard on your character through extracurriculars outside school, things like team sports. Push yourself outside of your comfort zone, learn what you do under stress and work on that. And then keep your eye on the prize. Read widely, do lots of space-related extra things outside class, and really figure out that intersection of what you enjoy doing day to day, what you'd like your life's purpose to be. When kids tell me they want to be an astronaut, I tell them, fantastic, go for it. But don't just want to be an astronaut, think about what you want to do when you're an astronaut. What do you want to contribute? What do you want to help solve? What do you want to help discover? And I think that helps set kids up for a more compelling pathway to be an astronaut with a journey that they'll love anyway.